What is up everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today we're back talking about dogs. Now, was I wrong about dogs? I was saying that it is a bad altcoin, a bad meme coin, you should not be buying, and today it's up around 12%. But so is the entire market. The entire market is green, as we talked about in yesterday's video where I said Bitcoin will be seeing a pump this week and in the short term within the next 24 hours, and that's exactly what we've seen. But was I wrong about dogs? I mean, overall, when we made the video, I think it was around September 7th, maybe 6th, we were somewhere around this area, and I said that we haven't established a good enough support resistance area for us to judge any sort of accumulation, distribution zone, anything like that. We also talked about this level right here, which you can see has slightly become a resistance level. We've tapped it once, twice, and now it looks like we're going to approach it the third time, but the volume is slightly slowing down as we see by this wick, and this is sort of our support area. However, we have created a lower low and we have still not broken this high, so overall, until we break this high, we're not going to be bullish yet on dogs. I don't think it is that great of an altcoin. I think there is many better options out there. You're going to be risking way too much for way too little gain. We compared it to Jupiter as well, as we talked about. A lot of these meme coins, altcoins, especially on launch, will have a slight pump, a little distribution right here, normal because of the airdrops and stuff. People want to take some profits, and then we'll see a lot of hype build up, causing another pump, and then once more people start getting their airdrops, the sell-off begins. Now, it's very important for dogs, as we talked about in the previous video, for them to build up their community. There needs to be a lot of holders of dogs and not a lot of sellers. Buyers need to step in a lot more, and people that are holding the token need to hold rather than sell, especially at these lower levels right here. If the selling continues, then it's going to drop even more. And as we also mentioned, their community isn't that strong. They aren't that active on Twitter, they aren't that active on Telegram. They are the largest Telegram cryptocurrency around. They have like 17 million subscribers inside of their Telegram. However, they aren't utilizing that. They aren't hyping the coin up. They aren't doing any sort of collaborations, anything in that nature to get the coin up higher. I think this 12% gain is simply, just due to the market pumping. As we talked about, I think FET is a great coin. If you entered when we talked about FET, you'd be up 15%, which is practically what dogs is up now, and you would have risked a lot less because FET has actual support and resistance areas that we can judge where it will go to, whereas dogs is in price discovery. Like, if we drop below this low, it's just going to enter price discovery and we won't know where it can go. It might go to 0, it might go to here where it's like 50% drop, and you'll be losing a lot of money. We have targets for the upside, and the upside isn't that massive. It's 50 to 60%, which for a meme coin, especially a new meme coin, isn't that major. You can get these sort of gains by holding a lower, even you can get these gains by holding Bitcoin up to its previous all-time high. So I really would not be risking a lot on dogs. If anything, I'd be looking for shorts, judging by how the community is going. I'd pay really close attention to their Telegram and their Twitter in case they do start being more active, they do start building the community. But apart from that, I'd look for shorts. I think the 0.382 level, the 0.5 level could be a great area for shorts. Even this area right here, although it might be slightly risky as we could break above it, it could be a good area for shorts as long as you see the volume slow down and rejections like here. You could look for shorts even here, quick day trades, stuff like that on dogs. I wouldn't be looking for any sort of buys or long-term positions. I just don't think the reward is there. But for shorts, I think you can start to look for some shorts. Now, if you do want low risk but high reward trades, then make sure to check out the Discord down below. The team is absolutely crushing it. We're sending out trades every single day, and we have a 90% plus win rate. So make sure to check out the Discord down below. But yeah, even if we draw on some trend lines for dogs, there's no real trend lines we can draw. A trend line will usually need 3 touches to be valid, because we can draw a trend line from any 2 touches, but a 3-touch trend line here is hard to find just because of how price is moving. So I'd only be looking for shorts at these 3 areas right now for dogs. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe. I know it might not be the news you want to hear, but it's the news you have to hear. Also, if you need an exchange to trade dogs and any other crypto on, make sure to check them out down below. We have some of the best exchanges linked below. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Goodbye, guys.